The universe loves to surprise us, and today's surprise is called 3I Atlas. NASA just released a Hubble image that's electrified astronomers everywhere. This isn't just another distant galaxy, this is a close-up of a true interstellar visitor, a traveler from another star system. For the first time, we're seeing a clear portrait of this cosmic enigma. 3I Atlas doesn't fit our neat categories of comets or asteroids. It's a messenger from a world we've never seen, forcing us to rethink what's possible in the galaxy. For centuries, we thought everything in the sky belonged to our solar system. But now, we know our cosmic family gets visitors. Objects born around other stars, wandering the Milky Way for eons. Every so often one passes through, and 3I Atlas is the latest. This image isn't just a rock. It's a piece of another world, a tangible link to the wider galaxy. It's traveled farther than any probe, carrying secrets from a star system light years away. For a brief moment, its journey crosses ours. The story of 3I Atlas is just beginning, and this new image is the explosive first chapter. Keep looking up. What is an interstellar object? Simply put, it's a wanderer from another star system. Unlike our local asteroids, these are true cosmic outsiders, time capsules from distant worlds. Imagine being an archaeologist who suddenly finds a relic from a completely different civilization. That's what these objects are for astronomers. Physical samples from other solar systems delivered to our doorstep. By studying their light, we can uncover their composition, water, organics, even the building blocks of life. Each one is a clue to how planets form and whether life's ingredients are common across the galaxy. Until recently, interstellar objects were just theory. We assumed they existed, but finding one was like spotting a bowling ball in the Pacific at night. That changed in 2017, when we found our first. Now, with 3I Atlas, we have another rare chance to study a messenger from the stars. These objects help us piece together the story of our galaxy. They're not just visitors, they're keys to understanding where we fit in the cosmos. Every new discovery expands our view of what's possible. The universe is full of surprises. Before 3I Atlas, there was Oumuamua, the first confirmed interstellar object. Its name means scout, and it lived up to the title. Oumuamua shot through our solar system in 2017 and baffled everyone. Its shape was bizarre, long and thin like a cosmic cigar. Stranger still, it had no visible tail, yet it accelerated away from the sun. Scientists debated, was it outgassing invisible hydrogen? Was it a fluffy object pushed by sunlight? Or, as some speculated, could it be an alien probe? Most stuck to natural explanations, but the mystery made Oumuamua famous. Unfortunately, it was moving too fast for us to get a good look before it vanished. It was a fleeting encounter, a puzzle that left us wanting more. Oumuamua taught us to expect the unexpected. It set the stage for the next visitor. Would the next one be just as strange, or even stranger? Now, with 3I Atlas, we have our answer. The universe isn't done surprising us. Now we have 3I Atlas, our third confirmed interstellar visitor, and the story gets even stranger. Comparing it to Oumuamua is like meeting two people from a country you've never visited. Each one reveals new surprises. Oumuamua was small, dark, and silent, an asteroid-like object with comet-like motion. 3I Atlas is much larger, several kilometers across, and it's active, with a glowing coma of gas and dust. At first it seems more like a traditional comet, but its differences are what fascinates scientists. Unlike Oumuamua's reddish hue, Atlas glows green, hinting at exotic chemistry. Our comets usually glow blue or white. This green suggests molecules we don't see in local comets. The universe, it seems, uses a different recipe book elsewhere. These two objects show us that other solar systems produce a wild variety of cosmic debris. There isn't just one way to build a solar system. Each new visitor reveals more about the diversity of worlds beyond our own. With every discovery, our understanding of the galaxy grows. The cosmos is more creative than we ever imagined. We're only beginning to discover its possibilities. The story is just getting started. So what makes 3I Atlas truly bizarre? The new Hubble image reveals the answer. Instead of a single lumpy core, the nucleus appears to be a collection of distinct geometric shapes, almost crystalline with sharp edges and flat surfaces. We're not talking about vaguely square rocks. These are shapes like tetrahedrons and cubes, orbiting each other in a tight formation. Nature rarely creates such perfect geometry on this scale. Planets are round, comets are irregular. this is something else. The core's structure pushes 3I/Atlas into a new realm of strangeness. Even more, the green coma isn't steady. It pulsates, brightening and dimming in sync with the orbit of the geometric objects inside. It's as if the movement of the core regulates the release of gas in a rhythmic pattern. This is unheard of in comets, whose activity is usually driven by sunlight. Here the activity seems driven by internal mechanical dynamics. A geometric core and a pulsating coma. This is the strangest object we've ever seen in our solar system. It challenges everything we thought we knew about how comets form. The mystery is right there, in high definition. 3I Atlas is rewriting the rules of cosmic discovery, and scientists are scrambling to explain it. Faced with something this strange, scientists double-check everything. The Hubble team spent months ruling out errors. They're confident the geometric shapes and pulsating coma are real. This image is a treasure map, filled with clues to a new kind of cosmic object. The stable orbiting components suggest this might be their natural state, not fragments flying apart, but a gravitational dance. Perhaps in its home system, conditions allowed for the growth of massive crystals or metallic structures that join together. Spectroscopy reveals a green glow from diatomic carbon, and unusually, ionized cobalt, a metal rarely seen in comet comas. The pulsation hints at material being scraped or energized as the objects interact, releasing exotic elements in rhythmic bursts. Maybe 3I Atlas is a shattered remnant of a planet, a collection of core and mantle fragments traveling together. This would explain the mix of materials, geometric shapes, and stable orbits. It's a radical new idea, but it fits the evidence. The universe may be far more violent and creative than we imagined. When we see precise geometry and rhythmic behavior, it's natural to wonder, what if it's not natural? Could 3I Atlas be an alien artifact, a probe, a beacon, or debris from a lost civilization? The bar for proving extraterrestrial intelligence is incredibly high. Most scientists favor natural explanations like the shattered planet theory because they fit known physics. But the strangeness of 3I Atlas keeps the door open, even if just a crack. The stable orbits and pulsating coma are especially puzzling. Could it be a signaling device or a derelict machine? SETI will be listening for any signals, just in case. For now, it's speculation, but important speculation. It reminds us that the universe may hold surprises beyond our wildest imagination. We must be ready for any possibility. Why should you care about a weird space rock with geometric bits? Because this discovery touches on the biggest questions. Where did we come from? Are we alone? 3I Atlas is a real physical clue from another world. It expands our perspective, just as explorers once expanded the world's maps. By studying it, we learn that other solar systems may be radically different from ours. This knowledge is essential to understanding planet formation, including our own. It's also a triumph of human curiosity and technology. We built Hubble, aimed it at a faint smudge, and uncovered secrets from light years away. This story should inspire everyone, especially future scientists and dreamers. It's a real-life science fiction story unfolding above our heads. Watching scientists debate and discover is a front-row seat to the process of exploration. It connects us to the cosmos and reminds us of our place in the universe. You don't need a PhD to feel the wonder. The story of 3I Atlas is just beginning. Unlike Oumuamua, we've caught Atlas on its way in, before its closest approach to the Sun. This gives us a rare chance to study it in detail as it gets brighter and more active. The world's best telescopes, including James Webb, will be watching closely. Will the geometric core stay stable, or will the Sun's heat pull it apart? Will the pulsating coma change as it nears the Sun? Every new observation is another piece of the puzzle. There's even talk of building a rapid response mission for future interstellar visitors. Imagine flying a probe through that green coma, sampling material up close. For now, keep watching the news. This is a rare, precious event. For a brief moment, our path crosses with a messenger from another star. Keep looking up.